many lessons and themes that I believe connect all the slides I just shared with you. But for sure, one of the strongest, most powerful one is this idea, this philosophy, keep on pushing. And what is that, you might ask? Obviously, it has a bobsled analogy. That's how you start the race, you push the thing. But it's not one massive push, as you might think. It's actually a process. You see, a 4-man sled weighs 650 pounds. So yes, at the outset, you need a massive amount of energy to get it going. But once you have gotten over the initial inertia, you have to continue the process. You have to keep on pushing because the goal is to get to maximum speed in as short a time as possible. And even as you're heading down the track in a very real way, you're still pushing. You're pushing against the ice conditions, the weather conditions, the twists and turns of the track, and you're also pushing against yourself. You're pushing against the limits of your own ability. You're trying to improve on what you did previously. So in many ways, in my mind, this is, is reminiscent of the success journey of life. The challenges, the things that we have to push against are there as opportunities for us to get better over time. And so yes, it's a process. It's a process, a dynamic, fluid, ever-changing process through which we transform ourselves, through which we transform the people and the organizations around us. It's a process. As human beings, we're designed for continuous growth. They say you're either green and growing or ripe and rotting. So as someone who aspires to become a hero, as a hero, you have to be willing to grow. Grow by refining your philosophy in life, what it takes and what it means to be successful. Grow by learning and developing new skills and abilities, but also learning how to apply your existing skills, your existing experiences, your existing knowledge to this new dynamic environment in which we live in order to create new opportunities. Keep on pushing is also speaking to this idea of persistence. Every opportunity that we seek is lying behind or standing behind an obstacle. And what do? You got to push those things out of the way. And it's not one massive push, it's a process. And if that doesn't work, then you have to find a way to push yourself over, around,